Christmas gone long time. Happy New Year. You know, I say good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Really? Again, as usual. This is what, the third vlog now? You do that? Yes, it is. Wait a minute, I lie. No, me said if you're not saying good morning, you're saying good morning, sir. Yes, guys, a happy new year. It's 2021 and many blessings. Hopefully this year is not as bad as last year was. And I always say, as long as we have life and you have strength, you have your health, anything is possible. And like I said, stay safe, guys. Stay safe in this year. You know, everybody is always looking for 2020 to be over, and at the end of the day, none of us knows if 2021 is going to be worse than last year. So you guys just stay safe, stay positive, you know, be around the people that love and care for you, and you know, just be grateful for what you have in life. So we are just out right now, about to get some stuff done, and yeah, so figured we'll just take you guys along. We're on another adventure today. Every day is a new adventure. So yeah, we're just gonna have to embrace this year and just hope for the best. Certain things that I see happening and about to happen that's not happened yet, I don't even want to get into it. But you know, you just gotta make sure that you're prepared. We gotta prepare ourselves for what's ahead. Like they say, nobody knows our days. Everybody's days is numbered on this earth. Just gotta stay strong, stand up for what you believe in, because there's a lot of things happening that a lot of people are asleep to. Those people need to wake up sooner than later, because when things get from bad to worse, you're gonna wish that you would have, you know, put yourself in a certain position to be okay, that you don't have to worry when it comes to certain things. So that is all I'm saying, my little piece. Read in between the lines if you understand what I'm saying, you know. Link it in the comment. Well, don't link it. Give me a thumbs up in the comments below. Your girl is hungry.
As usual.
What do you mean as usual? You give me anything from my feed? Here, you say you're disgusting. You don't give me one thing to eat from this morning. One thing. So I'm hungry and we need to go look some food, because a hungry woman is an angry woman. Where are the promise of that? Eh? You can't leave the dry my tomato so we can get little tea in my stomach. Me I feel bad. And you know, so when me feel bad, me fight you. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna go. Eh? You don't know, say me bad for a long time. Eh? You say me born bad. 105, yeah, I read gas. The price of gas, they said it wasn't supposed to be going up. So yeah, and I just heard they have another strand of the vaccine that's out. Yeah, so this is gonna be what, our third vaccine that they're releasing to the first world countries. They're getting it approved, so who knows. Oh boy, we are definitely, and if you read your Bible, you should definitely know that we are living in some real times that have been, you know, that's in the Bible. So yeah, it's crazy, but y'all don't want to get into all of that. We just want to be on some good vibes. This one crank up the heat in here. I crank up the heat in here. Babes, you have to go get gas. Why is it every time I come in the car, it come in like no gas now in here? Where me and me are driving? You had the car all day yesterday and before that. Eh? Are you drive out the little gas and you always they blame me? And you know, say you drive out little gas and if you gas bar empty and then me take it over. Like 10 minutes away. A lie. You a lie. Here I know. That is such a lie. That is such a lie. But babe, you know, so something cracked this, oh. You see the windshield there cracked? Look, you see it right here. Oh, well, look it.
What you doing?
Why is it everything that's me?
Because of you.
Why is it everything it's a woman? Why it can't be a man? You know, so when a man give more talking than a woman, we learn from you.
Holy shit.
So you were going to stop at this one and this a gas station you hire?
So see. When you want to pass us, you know, go down.
Just go down further. There's more gas stations down there. Yeah, go down further and you just catch one of those gas stations. You see, that's why what you always say to me. The first where you catch your liner and look, you see you drive past it? Yeah, drive past it. Oh, what happened to their thing? Their whole backyard right there.
Basically in the winter.
Well, there's no snow on the ground, so thank God for that.
You really want to put them for that?
So I'm gonna switch out my battery because my battery is dying. What do you mean every time? So I am dying hungry. So Mario's finally going to go take me after how much hours to go get food. He didn't even want to go get me my tea. And poor me could have text sick pan in Pan Road. So my hungry is finally gonna go get me my food. Cause girl needs to eat.
As always.
What you mean as always? So what you think mouth met for do? No eat. Hopefully this is a place that oh, I wonder if they have pudding. Yes, we're back at our spot again. Barrels. Barrels. Pepper pot. Oh God, then lock up. Oh shit. Then I do renovations. How are the blouse and skirt they go on here so?
Lunch.
Oh no, really?
Big them some of them lunch, you must have food in there for the workman.
So how come I didn't see that? I can't believe this ish. Them lock up and they do renovation. You see me not tell us if you go down there so? Eh? You see where your cars? Hello, stop jam brake for me, come in and play with you.
Right over there now.
Where is show me.
Right.
Point the finger as a boy. Point the finger as a boy. You drive hard. Ma come?
Oh gosh.
Eh?
So where are we gonna go eat? Are you gonna go to Sunrise? You have to go cross now. You have to go the opposite direction. Well,
I know you have me a drive up and come on.
what you mean me have you drive up and down? Not play with me. Babes, me hungry and the place locked down. Then they do renovation. Hello, but at the time you make money now.
Hey!
Oh my gosh.
Come cross the road, you see me don't lick your fire road.
How you gonna lick my fire road and feel my vehicle bigger than you?
I know big miss honestly. You must don't look talk me yet. Mash up big things.
Mash up big things. Oh gosh, don't mind us guys. This is how we are on and off camera.
Shit. You feel it?
Hot way? No, I am not hot.
Word, man.
I was looking forward to the other place and I didn't get him. I did to say, okay, let's go to Mr. Jerk because I haven't been there in so long. Then I figure say, okay, may I go on Mr. Jerk now? We can go get some food. Mario, I think Mario ate there once. I think Mario ate from there once and I haven't been back there in so long.
Go the last time when they locked down. All this alone, like.
Well, them they closed due to COVID. That business and them food good enough. Let's go to go to the other one, Sunrise. I can't believe that.
Barrels pop up down in Jamaica. Barrels pack up.
Oh my gosh!
100 pint.
They said it's going up to.
See, you feel like a summer?
Feel like a summer way.
See, you feel it?
You see your face? How you feel like a summer? You have a winter clothes. Not play with me. So no, they said the gas price is going up to 107.9. Yeah, so that's where it's supposed to go up to.
I'm glad me pull up. I want to pull up back for the rest of the year.
You're glad? You say you don't want to pull up back for the rest of the year? my god.
Pull it back.
So, oh gosh. Sorry if the camera is shaking. Mario, they drive past some really bumpy roads.
You want to breathe, don't you?
What do you mean? Where breeze gone?
I'm hot, man.
Hello. Hello, Indian boy. Let me have nothing.
Go now. Eh?
You want me alone?
You alright now?
Oh gosh.
Really, dude? I'm not gonna give me a squeeze.
Whoa. See the fire shot there? Oh gosh, be careful. Watch him on the man in the window. Watch me with the camera.
Yo, the car is so good. I'm gonna carry him down.
What do you mean you can't run in them? Hello? You take time.
Do you want to go back?
Mirror.
You want to go back around though?
No. So finally get food, guys. We're finally eating. So didn't get the Caribbean food I wanted, but that's okay. I'm eating a burger. So that's it. We're eating and then I gotta head home and go get some stuff done. I don't think we're even doing much more than just hanging out and watching a movie and pretty much call it a night. So I'm actually going to end the vlog here because your girl is hungry and I need to get back to eat before my food gets cold. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam, where it's always a vibes over here. I hope you guys are enjoying the new year so far, and just bless up all yourself, and yeah, stay positive, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me, die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.